Hi guys, this is Steve here with Momentum Marketing Tips, and I'm going to do a quick review and demo of the Tube Target software here. It's a cloud-based software, which is actually really powerful if you know how to apply it. They do a pretty good job explaining how to apply it in on the actual sales page for the product. Um, but what I wanted to do is just kind of take you behind the scenes, let you see how the product looks, how the software looks, and why I think it's a really good investment, especially for um, the price point that it's at. Now, there's a couple other softwares out there that are similar, but they are much more expensive, and I believe they have a monthly fee that go along with them. But let me just kind of quickly explain to you what Tube Target does if you aren't quite sure on what it does. So what Tube Target is able to do is take you uh, basically help you get really targeted traffic to either your product, your service business, or your offer. If maybe you're doing affiliate marketing, maybe you have a digital product, maybe you have a coaching, but this allows you to get really targeted offer traffic. I'm sorry. So, as you may understand, the difference between um, traffic on something like Facebook and Google or YouTube is that this is what we call search traffic. Okay. So search traffic is traffic where you have people who are already in the mindset of looking for a particular topic, how to do something, how something works, why something is the way that it is. Okay. And that's usually where people who are on YouTube and Google will go. Okay. Now, what this is going to do is allow you to do keywords, look up videos, look up channels that have content that's relevant to what you are looking to sell. Okay. So if you do this correctly, you can get really cheap views and cheap clicks. Okay. Much cheaper than you would get probably on any other platform that I can think of that has quality traffic. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of show you how this works. So this is the dashboard here. Okay, it's pretty simple user interface, which is something that I like. So you don't have to be very techy in order to understand how to use this. So first thing I'll show you is the keyword finder. Now, what the keyword finder does is allows you to go in and look for keywords in your niche. So let's just pretend I am doing a product on maybe dog grooming. Okay, so I would type in dog grooming. All right, I'm going to hit search here. And as you can see, it's going to bring up relevant keywords in that niche. All right, now you're able to take these keywords, you could obviously copy it like that. And then you could export it out if you want to do that. And you have your keywords to run campaigns in YouTube. And that works very well also. Okay, so you can see it's going to give you a long list of keywords that are going to go along with dog grooming, right? And that's a really good feature as well when you go in and select keywords that you want to do if you're going to do maybe a YouTube placement ad or whatever the case may be, right? So very powerful tool there. However, these two, in my opinion, are the most powerful features, okay? So they've got a video finders feature, all right? And we're going to do the same keyword, but we're going to do it in the video finder module. Okay, so I'm going to hit search here. Okay. And it's going to you're going to see it load here. Now, there's also a bulk video finder down here if you want to just try to find, loads of videos that relate to it. But really, you don't have to do that because what this is actually doing is it's loading all YouTube videos that are relevant to this keyword, okay? And it's going to pull back results, as you can see. Now, why this is so powerful is that obviously if I'm selling a product that has to do with dog grooming, I'm going to want to advertise on top of the videos or before the videos, what you call in-stream ads, so that I can get in front of people who are looking at dog grooming videos. Because obviously, if they're looking that up, they're interested in that in some capacity. Okay, so this is a very powerful way to get targeted traffic. Okay, now once you do that, you'll go in here. It's going to show you how many views this video has, how many likes, how many comments. You're going to be able to sort by views, likes, and comments. All of these videos are monetized, which means you can run ads over the top of the videos, which is great. So you don't have to filter through, what videos are monetized and which videos aren't. Now, like this one here, it says how to groom a mean dog. 874,000 views. You can see the likes and comments. So if I had a product that was relevant to grooming mean dogs, I would definitely want to run an ad over the top of this video, because I know everyone that's going to be looking at that ad is going to be the same segment of people who probably would buy my product. Okay. Now, whether or not they buy it is one thing, but it is going to be the group of people who will buy it. All right, and obviously if you're running them to a landing page, it's even better, because you'll be able to pixel them and retarget them, and it just grows and grows and grows from there, and you're getting really cheap views and clicks and engagements, which allows you to bring a lot of revenue to whatever it is you're pushing traffic to, okay? So that's how this one works. As you can see, it's just kind of loading the results. It can take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes to load the results, because it's really going through all of YouTube. And this is a really huge niche to see, hey, what videos here are relevant. Okay, now you can see the list kind of building here. And I could go through and push it. Now, if I wanted to, again, sort, I could just hit sort, and I could sort it by views or likes or whatever the case may be. Okay, same principle applies here. If I go to the channels finder, I'm just going to let it load here. And I do dog grooming. Okay, so it's going to work the same way. The difference is, instead of the specific video, it's going to look for YouTube channels that specifically create content around this keyword. So if there's a YouTube channel that's all about dog grooming, it's going to find that channel, and you'll be able to run in-stream ads to any of the videos that are on that particular channel. If you feel like that channel has several videos, that will be good for you to target in terms of running ads to. Okay. So now we're going to go to video information. Give it a second here to load up. And what happens is, if I go in, let's say we're going to go to YouTube here, and I'll just grab a video because I want to show you how this works. Okay, so let's just grab any video here. Let's do this one. I'm just grabbing the URL for the video. I don't need to play it. Grab that URL. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to hit find. And now look at how much information I'm able to retrieve. I can see the tags, the views, the likes, comments, description, everything really that I need in terms of information about this video specifically. I can see how long ago it was since it's been published, the channel title, and I can get a lot of information about a particular video. Okay, so that's how that module works. You go to channel videos. It's the next module down here. Same thing. You're going to put in the channel URL, and it's going to give you information about the channel itself and not just the video. All right. So that works the same way. I won't go through that because you get the point on that. Now, the next one here is campaigns. So campaigns are going to allow you to go in. When we run these searches for keywords and videos, we can apply them to campaigns. So we could put all of those searches in the campaign. Once we do it, we can export this into a CSV file, take that CSV file, and we can import it into the AdWords and Google AdWords. And then we can run our YouTube ads using all of the information that we've pulled from this software. So it's very, very easy to do, okay? And And it's very, like I said, very simple layout here, okay? Now, another thing here is you'll see it's got setting. So what setting is, you're going to have to go in and you do this one time. You're going to connect your API. You do your API key from Google. Now, if you don't know how to do it, don't worry. There's a little button right here that says tutorial. There's a 2-minute, 30-second video that shows you exactly how to do this. It literally takes 3 minutes, okay? You can change your email, change your password as usual. Nothing, new there. You've also got a help tab. And this kind of gives you a playlist along with a demo video, okay? So it's playlist. I'm going to show you what that looks like here. Playlist here. And this talks about, again, importing that CSV from TubeTarget into Google AdWords. But you can also see there's a full playlist with help videos here. There's at least 12.
The CSV file,
There's 12 different help videos here. So, I mean, again, there's a lot of good resources if you ever get lost. You really won't. This is probably the most you'll do is importing that CSV file, but it's very easy and it's very good help. So I would highly recommend TubeTarget for you if you're going to be running YouTube ads. If you're not running YouTube ads and you have a digital product or you have a webinar or coaching product, if you have e-com, it's another great way to do it, run through YouTube ads, because this is search traffic, it's highly targeted. And if you're going to be running YouTube ads, I would not run it without software like this, okay? And it's very, very affordable, guys. And I'm going to leave a link in the comments to the actual software. I'm going to include 2 bonuses, exclusive bonuses as well. One of them is going to be how to drive sales through high quality video, okay? The other one is going to be how to explode your sales through live video online. I'm going to include those 2 for free as a gift for me to use for purchasing through my link as well. Feel free to email me. I'll leave an email in there if you have any questions on the software. I look forward to using this software even more. Hope you guys pick this up. I think you will really, really like it. If you're running ads, again, you will not regret it, okay? This is Steve here, and I look forward to talking to you all, and I'll talk to you later. Take care.